In this bonus video, I want to talk to you about video sales letters. Video sales letters are something that you can create for Amazon affiliate products too, to try to pre-sell the product in the ways that Elite Video Evolution teaches you. Because no matter what a product is on Amazon, they're not trying to sell that product to somebody on Amazon using the persuasion tactics that Elite Video Evolution will teach you. So if you can create your own videos that you can publish on YouTube and also have on a page on your own website that you can promote the Amazon affiliate product with, then this gives you the ability to pre-sell the product in ways that other Amazon affiliates simply can't do it. So in one of these modules, module number 2, you'll notice that they have this simple video sales letter page. And you might think that you would want something more complicated, but in fact, a simple page just like this one that you see can actually be highly effective. So I wanted to show you guys how to actually create a page just like this one in a WordPress site. So you can use this same tactic without actually having to have the knowledge to put all this together. So I have some partial code examples that I'm going to be providing for you guys that you'll be able to use to put these pages together. But then I also need to show you exactly how to do this from the WordPress side. Now there's 3 basic parts to these pages. I want to show you the basic page here and what it looks like in terms of you have your title, you have your video, and you have your add to cart button. But as you can see, if you just create something like this in WordPress, you're going to have all this other stuff around what you really want people to focus on, and this is simply going to distract them. So you want to not only create a page with this content in it, but you also need to refine the page to clean it up so this is the only content that is showing on that page. Now there could be a lot of ways that you could go about doing this. Personally though, I like to use the Weaver theme. You can search for it under Appearance and Themes. You can see right here I have my Weaver 2 admin. This theme gives me this section right here called Weaver 2 Options for this page. And in here I can do certain things like hide the page title, or I can hide the entire header and the info bar and the footer. I can even go down here and change it to show no sidebars. So these 5 changes right here should clean up your page to make it show just the proper amount of information. So if I take a look at another preview of my page now, you can see that I only have my header title here and my video and my add to cart button. Now I'm going to be providing the add to cart button for you guys to upload, but I want you to notice this little gray outline that it has. This is actually something that WordPress will do when you upload an image right here through Add Media. You'll get this little output of the code for your image. What you want to look for, all the way at the end of it, it'll say WP image, and then it'll have a number depending on what number of the image it is. If you simply remove the WP image from the end, just go all the way up until you see the word full, that will actually get rid of that border for you around your add to cart button. So using the Weaver 2 theme, you simply make these 5 changes down here check these 4 boxes and change this to no sidebars. You put your content in. This content is something that you will be able to copy up here at the top, the header. So you would simply want to go in here and change the text. For the video itself, you can use the embed iframe off of YouTube, or you can also use this code example that I will provide you guys with. This is a Weaver YouTube shortcode, and in order to utilize this, you are going to need the Weaver 2 Theme Extras plugin. If you download Weaver 2 and go to the Weaver 2 admin under Appearance, it'll give you a little notice about the top if you don't have that plugin to install it. After installing that plugin, you'll be able to use these shortcodes. The shortcode just lets you do things like put the video on autoplay. You can see right here, autoplay is equal to 1. This will make my video automatically play when somebody comes to the page. It also does other things like stretching the video out to take up the entire area of your page here. It will do things like making your video stretch to the size of a cell phone screen, so your page will be mobile responsive using this Weaver YouTube shortcode. So really all you have to do is look for the ID equals to, and then everything after here, you replace this with the ID of your YouTube video. Every YouTube video has it. If you look up in the URL, you will see this ID on your YouTube video. So you just copy the ID and replace it in my code example here, and you'll be able to utilize that on your own site. If for some reason your video will not play properly, try changing HTTPS equal to 1 right here. Change this 1 to a 0. Personally, I have to use it as a 1 because I have a secure server running on this particular website, as you can see right here in my permalink. So I need to utilize this, but if you don't have that, you may need to switch this over to a 0. So if it won't play properly for you, try that one little thing and it should fix it. So the other thing that you're going to need to do at the bottom will be for your Add to Cart button. What you want to do for your Add to Cart button is download it from my materials page where you are watching this video right now. Upload it to your website using this Add Media right here. And when you are inserting it into your page, over here where it says link to, change this to custom URL and then paste your Amazon affiliate link for whatever product you are promoting right here. You can get that link a lot of different ways. You can simply go to Amazon, logged into your affiliate account, go to the product page, and then there will be a little toolbar up at the top that you can generate that link with. You can also use one of my plugins. If you have a page already that has an ad for that product, simply right-click on the ad and copy the link for the ad and put that link right here in this box. Then you insert it into the page, and after you do that, make sure you delete the little WP image tag off the end that I showed you a minute ago. And that'll get rid of the border around that image. So with those 3 little steps, the header and the video and the image itself, you will have a video sales letter page just like what you see in this demo here. And this is really the best way to go about it because you're able to cut out all of the other distractions and let your visitor focus on exactly what it is you want them to focus on that page.